What's up, guys? Burping here, back in another video. Today we will be obviously burping, but I have to do this on my own because my friends will be here. Hopefully this Friday or Saturday, and I'm going to be doing the fizzy soda or whatever with Sprite. I'll be drinking it down, burping as much as I can. Obviously, so let's get to it, and yeah, we should definitely do that. Let's go. And it's cold too. It's been in the fridge. It's gonna be some nice burps, and I haven't eaten yet, so you're gonna be getting some explosive burps for people out there that like burps. You don't have to be here, but I'm saying. Ooh. Ooh. Nice. Damn fly. What's it? Ooh. It's like I know there's a big one in there somewhere. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, God. Ooh. Alright, guys, I think I'll see you in the next video. Peace.